Last year, the National Women's Expo was open to everyone, irrespective of the quality of their work. But now, only those artisans who make it through the 4 divisional craft shows can qualify to come to Suva for the national event. They have to earn their place here by meeting a set of standards laid down by the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the Fiji Arts Council. It's a quality control process that ensures that only the best artisans and only the best handicrafts are featured at the 2015 National Women's Expo. So over the next 3 days, you are seeing the very best that Fiji has to offer. And it is being showcased to local buyers and exporters looking for the very best. Items truly worth of receiving the Fijian crafted label of the Fijian made brand of products and services we are taking to the world and on which much of our economic prosperity depends. Minister, I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say that women are the backbone of our nations. They are our mothers, the trusted figures we turn to for assistance and advice, who we can rely on, the caregivers, the nurses, the custodians of our customs and traditional knowledge. They are the glue that holds families together. Their opinions count. They deserve to be consulted. They deserve to be treated with respect, to be protected from violence and exploitation. And increasingly, they are asserting their economic strength, using their talents to earn incomes for themselves and their families.